This week, the Student Athlete Advisory Committee held the first annual A-Chappa construction event held in the field house. 12 teams competed in the challenge, and for the past several weeks, Muskie athletic teams and Lakeland College staff members collected cans to donate to the Sheboygan County Food Pantry. The different teams had 1 hour to construct anything they wanted to out of their collected cans and boxes. For some teams, it was a balancing act, and others had no idea what they were making. And when the time ran out, judges walked around and graded all the finished products. Some of the fan favorites included the Nike swoosh symbol made from the women's basketball team, a Candyland Winter Wonderland, and whatever this is. But there could only be one winner, and the first place trophy went to the men's volleyball team.
We want to congratulate you on your super job.
But this event wasn't about the trophies or the cool things that everybody created. It was about collecting cans for a great cause. And of course, having fun. Reporting for Muskie Athletics, I'm Holly Rodruck.